Hello guys, welcome back once again to Accra in Focus. My name is Kojo Harrison. Thank you so much for always checking me out on this channel. Please, if you are new to this channel, do me a very big favor, subscribe, like this video, comment and share. So today too, we are here to give you guys an update on the flyover project or interchange project that is ongoing here at Flower Pot around the Spintex road. So this interchange is linking the boundary road and Flower Pot, that is the Spintex road together. So it actually passes over the main Tema Motorway. So this project is gonna reduce traffic around this point when it is done. So I'm back here to give you guys an update on the project so far. So far so good. They are still working hard on the project. So the project is really progressing. So this is an update for you guys. Please do well to watch this video to the end so that you see how far the project has reached. Please, if you are new to this channel, do me a very big favor, subscribe to this channel, like the video, comment and share. Peace out.